Hello there. Oh, welcome to another PBK filler episode. Yes, I call it a filler episode now because basically this is what it is. Videos with no effort put into it whatsoever. Shot in minimalistic time, and yeah, pushed out to Sunday deadline. At least I hope that's what it is. And I hope this is somewhat edited first. And I hope the recording thing is working because I'm not using OBS. Anyway, today's video is gonna be explaining stuff with Mortal Kombat X in the background. I did this like a week ago with Putter and with shitty Mortal Kombat 1 footage, and you know what? It was actually fun. And I'd like to try it again, but I don't have my PS5, so we're gonna be playing the best game. Actually, this is better than MK1, better than MK11, so it's just too much. Right, MKX, a lot of people's favorite game, and today we're gonna be explaining basically my chemistry test. Fun, yes, very fun. Chemistry tests, whatever. We're gonna be discussing NFPA, GHS systems, and about significant numbers, and about lab safety. Not a lot though, because I don't know a lot about it, and precision, low precision, and accuracy, yes. Also the Burette pipettes and how to use them. That's basically it. Yeah, I hope this will not take more than 15 minutes. Disclaimer, I'm not a teacher nor an expert in this subject. I'm just a high school student who has a worksheet to his left and a tower to his front. Anyway, let's get this thing started with symbols for what to and not look out in. What the? And what to not look out in a chemical label. Bad choice. Anyway, there's a bunch of symbols. If I can edit this, there's gonna be one on screen. But if I can't edit this, you know what? I'll just you know what? In case I can't edit this, I'll describe them now. First one is the oh my god, reptile. You okay? Thank you. Anyway, there's the fire.
You overestimate your skill.
You know what? I can't describe it. That's fire, which is fire hazard. It's pretty sure it's like repellent. Hold on, let me Google the exact definition. Give me a second, guys. Okay. All right. Ow. Shit. Why is your armor still there? God, the fire thing, flammable material, and the ball fire thing is obligation to have liquid or solid. Yes. The flammable gas is the opposite. Oh wait, sorry, I apologize. It's actually oxidizing and liquid and you know.
Run away.
All of them, everything. God, this hitbox. What the fuck? Anyway, and then there's this thing, which is a human, severe health,
Final round. Fight.
hazard, and acidic, the pirate. Yeah, I think you know pirate. God, carry him. Carry. This is more annoying than 11's power. What do I have to this down to him? Okay, have the next way. I want let's continue with is out of start and I have a gas under pressure. It's a alcohol thing. Alright, I'll show you the fatality for people who doesn't play this game and just saw firsthand. Have fun. Anyway, right. Then there's explosive, which is literally explosive, and corrosive to the skin, which is corrosive to the skin. You know, acid. That kind of thing. I don't think it's that hard to imagine. Anyway, GHS is pictograms basically. It's different from NFPA, which is the other system which we use, which is the National Fire Protection Association Hazard Identification. Second take. National Fire Protection Association Hazard Identification System, NFPA. It's basically a 4-quarter thing, like Connect 4 or something like that.
Got no
Literally
chance,
Uno
Liu
colors,
Kang.
okay?
You have a high opinion of
not
yourself.
Literally Uno.
I've earned it.
Round 1.
Oh,
Fight.
hey, Ellen. Right. God, this video is just gonna be. Anyway,
A gun is the best defense.
I like this voice. Evan Black is the best Mortal Kombat character. Prove me wrong. I don't care. I'm correct. So
Melody
annoying.
gunpowder.
Anyway, right, there's 4 colors. There's
Round
health
2.
hazard, fire
Fight.
hazard, and why are you
Happiness is the word.
like that one shout? Someone tell me how. Okay, hurry. Yes. Anyway, then health hazard is blue. That's 0 to 4. It goes from normal to slightly hazard to hazard and extreme and freaking deadly. I give you examples, but I can't think one of them on the top of my head right now, so editor can just pull it off. God, why does this suck? Graph doesn't work. Nothing works. Can't even amplify the how do you amplify the panel?
Finish!
God, that worked. Anyway, right, let's do this one next. Great. Right, I have 0 to 4 again.
Liu Kang
Funny
wins.
flashpoint. Anyway,
Fatality.
0, no fire hazard. Duh. Oh yeah, I forgot. Health hazard, blue, instability, which is whether it's stable or not to interact with. Anyway, then there's fire hazard, which is red. 0 will not burn. 1 will need some heat, and 2
I'm
will.
Shirai Ryu now.
Pretty sure 2 will burn.
That does
Correct
not make
me if
you
I'm
Scorpion.
wrong. 2 will burn under normal
Does make me a tough
temperature.
out.
Round 1. Fight.
And 3 would burn. No. Is that correct? Yeah. You know what? I'll have to check it. Yes. Harry.
I'm simply too fast.
Yes. Anyway,
You overestimate your skill.
Round
let me just
2.
check
Fight.
this, guys. Check my notes. Solid Takeda. Right. Oh, right. I got it wrong actually. 0 no heat. 1 excessive heat. Not excessive. Yeah, excessive heat for long time. So it starts getting fire. Basically more than 93.3 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, I'm correct. 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Then there's a mild heat, which is, you know, when you get mild heat, which is more than 200 Fahrenheit. And then there's a normal environment below 100 Fahrenheit. Number 3, and yeah, number 4 is basically kablooey. Yes. Wait, I wanna amplify the parry. Smash. It's what? O? O?
You seem
Finish him.
Okay, no.
Liu Kang wins.
Anyway, that's all for NFPA, DHS. Yeah, the only thing you have to worry about this is see which system it uses. That's about it. Yeah, anyway, let's move on. Sorry, 13 minutes, 13 seconds. Alright, let's move on to the other thing on my note here, which is precision, and accuracy.
You will stop your attack on
Very
Earthrealm.
important.
Only victory will stop it.
Round 1. Fight.
Excruciating, yes?
Sorry, editor. No pause button, I guess.
You incubate my young. This one is
That's
pleased
kind
to
of
end
cool.
you.
Walk away and then get hit.
Round 2.
Wait, right, grab. So, this thing is basically about equipments and their precision and accuracy. So, I assume you know what precision and accuracy is. God, how do you have
Accept your fate.
Okay, actually, not, God, there's no reason but this game.
Devora wins.
Right. You know what, let's edit that out, editor. Please. Please.
Round
Go
1.
ahead.
Fight.
Okay. Alright, precision, there's basically 4 components of things you can be when it comes to precision accuracy. You can be high precision and then low accuracy, or high precision, high accuracy, and low accuracy. Scratch that. Let's try that again. Low precision, low accuracy, and then there's high precision. Oh gosh. Alright,
You
high precision, low accuracy, and
Round
then there's
2,
low
fight.
precision, high accuracy, and then there's both things high. How do you amplify this? Precision and high precision and high accuracy. So you might ask, which is better? Contrary to my belief that I have to be correct, contrary to basically my belief anyway, contrary to my belief, the word one is precise but not accurate, not accurate and not precise. I think at least has something.
Liu Kang wins.
Because you know, one thing is, no, it's like when you throw a dart and you throw it, you know, specifically at one single point, but it's not the target, and not when you randomly throw it everywhere. You know, when you throw it everywhere, it's
Sento
basically
greets you, Liu
guaranteed
Kang.
you're gonna get one.
I do
no
not
matter
fear
how
its
bad your
wielder.
skill is.
Both were forged
And,
in
yeah,
combat.
second best
Round
is accurate but not
one,
precise,
fight.
because you know, you're at least accurate, but you don't have the precision. So it's not all the target, and all accurate, all precise, when you basically a god. You can. Alright, can you? Don't do this. Don't do this to me. Do this to me. Carry word, please. How do you amplify this? Thank God. Anyway, right. That's
You will
basically
not be
it.
remembered.
So what you should look
Round
for in a
2,
graph
fight.
with time, basically what you should look for in a, so that's a God, I'm not drunk. Okay, I'm not drunk. Really focused right now. Stay still so I can hit you. Shit ass. No, normally I not like super. I mean, and I don't mean super move. That's let's see. Why do I have my Chinese keyboard on? Right.
Kill him!
Accurate and precise you.
Liu
In a
Kang
graph,
wins.
just picture this, okay? In a graph,
Faction kill.
if it's accurate and precise, you'd see the entire thing be near the line that is the true number. But if it's accurate but not precise, it's at least hovering around the number. So it's hovering, but the telltale sign of this is when you average it, and it just average out to the line, the number. But if it's not accurate, but
I will not
it's
bargain with you,
precise,
demon.
but not accurate,
Bargain with your blood.
Round
the
1, fight.
the average would be something totally different. So that's something. Thank you, Shachi. Anyway, right. And not accurate and not precise would be everything, basically. I like this school.
Fire cleansed.
I don't like school. I don't mean that. I don't mean that. Don't comment. I don't mean that. I don't like his playstyle. Not sorry. Suck. Anyway. That's about it. We are gonna be what was the third
Round
topic
2,
again?
fight.
Third topic, which is third topic. Alright, lab safety. I think it's basically common sense, but I'm not gonna read it out to you because I don't have it right now. So when I have time, please. Oh wow, what the hell is that parry? Glad I got one good moment on camera.
You overestimate your
Sorry
skill.
to all the Mortal Kombat X fans out there watching this. We are gonna be talking about significant can you not? Have another. Anyway, significant numbers. So significant numbers are numbers you see, basically. And in chemistry, not in chemistry, in science, and in science, the numbers are very important because you have to round up numbers based on it, so it's very important how many significant numbers there are in a number or an equation. So for example, 1.23 or is 3 numbers because 3 numbers, right? Or 1.9296 is 5 numbers, something like that. If there's a 0 in the middle, like 2.009, it counts. So 2.009 is good.
Keep away, loathsome beast.
Yeah,
You will
and
remember
if
your
there's
love
a
for me.
0 in the
Round
back,
one.
it also counts.
Fight.
Like 6.600. Lena, why do you have guns? Didn't know that was a no.
You're so much
I
fun.
was too focused on
Round
significant
2.
numbers.
Fight.
I am gonna Parry doesn't seem to work. Seems like not oh my god. Thank you. I'm a god.
Use your head or
Right,
lose
that's
it.
basically it.
Final
That's
round.
basically it. Numbers
Fight.
that hurt. Not hurt, counts. God. MK mine.
Earth will learn.
Anyway, right, the numbers behind count. But when that number doesn't have a fractal or don't remember what you call it. A fractal, a decimal, yeah. When it doesn't have a decimal or a 1/10 or 1/5 or like
seem
that
confused.
so much. Anyway, right. If it's something that doesn't have decimals or dots behind them, it can be anything like 100, no dots, no 100.0, 100.0, no, just 100 can be 1 or can be 2 or can be 3, can be anything. So we don't talk about that. And there's of course there's some numbers that doesn't have an exact. Doesn't have numbers like pi, which is not normal, or
Liu Kang
or some
wins. Fatality.
fractals that are possibly infinite, like like I don't know 9.1 random and infinite, like 9.134697 whatever, can be anything. Anyway, and yeah, that's basically about it. It's like normal, and when it comes to rounding the numbers, it's like normal decimals. Below 5 you round down, round down. Yes, correct.
Mind your tongue.
And when it's more than 5 or you round
Round
up.
1. Fight.
Understand? Cool.
Your chi is lacking.
Anyway, right, then combining with this camera has broken damage anyway, then there's combining numbers, which is
Round 2. Fight.
combining and subtracting. When it comes to combining, you look at only the fractal, not the entire thing. Like you look at the fractals, like the number of significant. What I mean is significant numbers in the fractal. Like the example here, 1.2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6, 7, 8. You will get 11.439, which is because you only look at the lowest decimal, which is 11.4, which is only 3, which is not only 3, which is only 1 from the 1.2 thing. Why? Because from what my teacher said, you can trust more than that. Like because you only get that much for that one, the lowest. You can only trust the lowest one. You cannot trust that the lowest one will not make it more than that. Yeah. Anyway, minus basically the same thing. I'm not gonna give you a single example. And then there's multiple. Just die, chummer. Then there's multiplication, which, oh my god, nope, that did not happen. Nope. Okay, thank you. You did a fix. Right. When it comes to multiplication or division, you look at everything.
Wins.
Everything. Okay, all significant numbers, and you get the lowest one. If it's 4 significant numbers times 3, you use 3 as the answer. Understand? Understand. But if you get combined, like you have to do addition before division. You do in the order that
Mind
you're
your
supposed to do
tongue.
first. You do addition first, which is
Round 1. Fight.
you do addition first, then you do the division. Then round it out later. Okay, that's it. Alright, I don't. That's about it for this week's episode. You are any of my friends watching this? Why? It's a 20-minute video. I'm not even sure if I can edit this down to like 20 minutes. Not a good editor. Hunter doesn't have time. And I would not ask him. Anyway, right, I was gonna do the factual label method. Wait a second. อะไรวันนี้เคนฮะครับอะไรน้องเคนอร่อยมากขอบคุณมากไม่เป็นไรเคนอาจจะกินไปอันหนึ่งนะเคนนะไม่ใช่อะไรก็นอก อย่าเพิ่งนอนหลังจากบายเดี๋ยวจะไปอัดคลิปมาบาย Alright. More relatives. Not the Einstein. Not an NFPA. I was gonna teach you the but you know what? I think you'll get that because it's basically
You overestimate your skill.
it's simple really. It's the thing that you started out with that you want to convert it times the thing that the unit that you want it to be divided by the unit that you started out with, the conversion unit.
Your chi is lacking.
Like for example, this. God, just wait a fucking second. Tremor. Okay, for example, 3.5 kilometers is 3,500 meters. How do I know that? With this back to label method, it's 3.5 kilometers times 1,000 meters divided by 1 kilometer, which is, you know, like I said, the started out. Oh god.
Brutality. So fragile. Tremor wins.
You're broken in MK1 and you're broken now. You're actually very good. I actually like that. You like Johnny Cage. I wish you had dialogue in MK1. Imagine how fun it would be. You know,
Mind your tongue.
Interact with
I will tear yours out.
like Johnny
Round
Cage,
one.
with
Fight.
Johnny Cage or so. What would that be? Maybe they should you know, characters instead of characters. Ladies autumn. I'm third ready. Trust me, I'm better than this. No, normally. I mean, Shinnok, not Liu Kang. I barely play Shinnok. Anyway, it's like I said, it's the starting out with times the desired and divided by the unit it started out with conversion. So you get 3,500 meters. And if you have more than one unit, you just time more than that. Like converting. What's a good example? Meters per second to kilometers per hour. Right, you know what? I'm not gonna say the entire thing on screen, but if I can please put this on screen. It's very okay. Right. Enough about the dirty stuff. Let's see me obliterate the rest of it.
Finish him. Liu Kang wins.
Oh right, it's the end of the tower, which means it's the end of this recording session. Finally. Right, I hope I don't have to do more filler episodes. I hope from today I'll start working on that video, on that Jeopardy video that I wanted to work on for so long, and the rap battles. Don't even know how to write and produce. And anyway, that's besides the point. Right, I hope no more filler episodes next week. Something I actually feel more proud about. Anyway, what